Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this raining filter vibe on CapCut PC. So go to adjustments and you're going to go to exposure and you're going to type in -32. For the contrast, you're going to do -50. And for the highlight, you're also going to do -50. Actually, I'm going to put the exposure at 7 instead and the brilliance to -32. And then for the, let's say, shadow, we'll need to do 50 on that. And then on the temps, we are going to do -60. Oh, -6, sorry. For the tint, I'm going to place it at -4. And then for the fade, I'm going to do 5. That's not 5. I might adjust the shadow a little. I think it's because of the video. You might want to adjust the shadow a little bit more. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to make it a little bit greener, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!